Today I will talk about HIV window period. After HIV invades the human body, it will attack our immune system. When the attack starts, it will produce viral DNA and then convert it into antigens, which are then transformed into antibodies. To understand the process of HIV virus production, we also need to understand what is window period. The window period of AIDS means that after HIV enters human body, it takes a period of time for the blood to produce antibodies. During the period, the antibody test is negative. The period is the window period. The number of viruses in the infected person will reach a peak at this time, which is extremely contagious. During the time, the body still produces HIV antibody, but these antibodies are not yet detectable. Generally, the time for the production of serum antibodies is 2 weeks to 10 weeks after infection with HIV. AIDS tests are detection reagents using colloidal gold immunochromatography. It detects HIV-1 and HIV-2 specific antibodies in the serum or plasma samples. All operation time is only 15 minutes and the action is very simple.